I actually had an incident where I actually caught a group of people trying to steal my bike. I was actually at home, and literally this was summer 2023 in August, I think it was. It was about 9:30 at night, and it was still pretty bright outside. Still pretty bright. It was a nice summer's night, and I actually remarked to my partner at the time. And I said to my partner, "It's, oh my God, like at 9:15. Oh, it's still, wow, it's still bright outside. It's still really bright. It looks like it's 3 in the afternoon still." And this was 9:15 at night. 10 minutes later, I hear what sounds like sawing. And I'm thinking, who is sawing at this time of night? And then look outside the window. We're on the first floor. Look outside the window. I literally see 3 people standing around my bike, one with a portable angle grinder in his hand, going at my bike. And I goes, "Excuse me, like, what are you doing to my bike?" And he stops, looks up at me, and says, "Is this your bike?" And I was like, "Yes, it is my bike. What are you doing to my bike?" And he said, "Are you sure it's your bike?" And I'm like, and I literally said, "You're damn right, I'm sure it's my bike. What are you doing to my bike?" And it was like, "Oh, okay then." And then my partner, she actually was on the other window. She saw that there was a 4th person. So, but fortunately, they walked away, and the only thing that was damaged was a bit of damage on my lock, where if they'd had, maybe 5 to 10 more minutes sawing at it, or if I'd been in the kitchen maybe making food on the other side of the flat, they would have gotten away with my bike. They would have gotten away with over £1,000 worth of bike, and I would have been powerless to stop them. Now, I've got insurance on my bike. I insure my bike with Laka, L-A-K-A, Laka.co. And of course, I mean, if I reported it stolen, I might have gotten it paid out or replaced, but that's not really the point. The point is the inconvenience of having your bike stolen and knowing that more likely than not, unless you've got a tracker in it, you're not getting it back.
E-bikes, conversion kits, bike to e-bike conversion and more at lebikes.co.uk.